Properties of diamonds. What are the properties of diamonds? Here to the right you can see the structure of diamond. Now let's explore its properties. First of all, diamond is very hard. Second, diamond has high melting and boiling points. So, diamond needs high temperature to melt or boil. Diamond does not conduct electricity, so electricity can't flow through diamond and it's not a conductor of electricity. Diamond doesn't dissolve in water or in any other solvent, so if we put diamond in water or any other solvent, diamond does not dissolve or break down in the solvent. Those are 4 important properties of diamond.